2.x. Spring security with OAuth 2.x. OAuth means open authorization, guys. Open. It's an open standard and framework for providing third-party services to client applications. That means security to client application using third-party applications. Okay, guys. Earlier, what is the problem, guys? If you have multiple application, in every application, we used to have separate username password. We'll end up remembering lots of usernames and password. But what is the OAuth says, guys? What is OAuth says? For all these applications, we can log in through what? Common third-party application, something like Facebook or Gmail. Nowadays, everyone will have that account. Come on. So which is looking like a SSO. SSO is nothing but single sign-on feature, guys. SSO is nothing but single sign-on feature. Getting my point, my dear? Come on. Okay, guys. Right, guys. Basic architecture diagram of OAuth 2.x. Browser, end user operates the browser. End user operates the browser. Contacts the client application. Here, client means our basic application. Okay. Client application shows FB login, right, boss? FB login. Somehow, browser completes FB login activity. Come on, guys. FB login activity. Okay. Now, client application get FB user details. Okay, now onwards, all activities will happen between. After that, all activities will happen between browser and client application. Okay, here we are having OAuth 2.x features, guys. It's very popular open standard for securing applications. It can be used and implemented in any technical domain like what? Java.net. Spring Boot gives a lot of abstraction towards implementing what? OAuth 2.x service. Very much implemented in day-to-day activity applications like what? Ticket booking application, e-commerce application. Integration of client application with the 2.x very easy towards connecting and using third-party services. This is not that much recommended to financial service applications like banking, bank account creation, credit card creation, and etc. Yesterday we discussed a number of things, right? Okay, guys. All third-party application or services like FB, Gmail provides two ways of interaction. Direct interaction for end user. Okay, interaction as a developer. Okay. Our client application should have some settings as a developer or not. OAuth 2.x implementation, guys. Number one, register and provide user details with authorization and resource server. Authorization and resource server. Okay, it's normal creating, guys. Activating this one. Next, register our client application with authorization and resource server to get client ID and secret ID. Okay. Make your Redbus application registration with what? Authorization and resource server. Register with Facebook as a developer. Come on. Register with Facebook as a developer. Okay, guys. Number 3. Validate end user and client application in authorization and resource server. Authorization and resource server. Authorization and resource server. Okay, guys. Facebook, Gmail, Facebook, Gmail, LinkedIn, okay, and etc. Etc. Maintain two parts, guys. Authorization server. Come on, maintains two parts. Authorization server contains authentication logic. Resource server. Okay. What is next, guys? Contains authentication logic, guys. Resource server. Okay. Gives access to various details of authenticated user. Gives access to various details of authenticated user. Understanding my point, guys? Yes, guys. This is FB login. Next, getting FB user details. FB login. Other one is what? Getting FB user details, guys. One is authorization server. Other one is what? Resource server. Okay, guys. Validate. Okay, guys. Yeah, now Facebook is having both paths. Maybe I have not highlighted so far, guys. Okay. OAuth 2.x authentication server examples. Okay. Okay, authentication server example, guys. Yeah, see, guys. Google client API libraries, Google OAuth endpoints implementation, Google APIs. We are having a lot of things or not, guys. Come on. Okay. Resource server examples. Resource server. Okay, guys. Yeah, they have given. Actually, Facebook, what I'm trying to show is Facebook itself having both, guys. That's what I'm trying to say. Facebook is having both, guys. A resource server validates such a token by making a call to authorization server introspection endpoint. The token encodes entire authorization itself, and it crypto protected and has become de facto standard for self-contained tokens. Right. Okay. Hmm. A resource server, listen. A resource server is a server for access protected resources. See, access protected resources. Understanding? It handles authenticated requests from an application. Come on. As an access token, typically resource server provides code API. Come on. Code API for making these requests. The resource server inspects the access token, determine if access should be granted or not. See, guys, this is taking care of FB login. This is giving all the details about that FB user or not. FB user detail, how many friends are there, how many posts are there about the user. It's supporting that activity or not. Come on. Okay, by checking the token, once you got the access token, you will get it. So that's why Facebook itself having both authorization server, resource server. Everyone getting my point, guys? Right. Okay, boss. Now, this diagram is very, very important, guys. Right. Everyone focus. Here is our client application. Here is my browser. Here is our client application. Here is my browser, guys. Okay. Please switch off your cameras, guys. Everyone. Let us assume this is my Facebook. Let us assume Facebook. Inside Facebook, I have authorization server. Okay. And I have resource server. I have authorization server. I have resource server. Everyone getting? It's a complete diagram. Again, don't look at the third step. Third step, which is including first and second steps. Everyone getting my point? Okay. Okay, guys. Now, next one. Yeah, this is my client application, guys. It's like a red bus kind of, which is red bus kind of. This is my browser, guys. This is my browser. Here is my end user. Okay. Here is my FB login, Facebook login, guys. And when browser approach client application red bus, first it shows Facebook login or not. Come on. When browser approach, when browser can try to connect to client application, what happens? Tell me. First it shows Facebook login or not. Come on. Right, guys. Facebook login. Next. Yeah, when browser gives username passwords, guys, when browser gives username password, what happened? What happened? Continue as you will get one message. Continue as your name. We'll get it. Continue as Natras. Continue as X. Continue as Y. You will get or not. That is nothing but asking for request grant, guys. Come on. That is nothing but request. Okay. Request for grant. Request for grant. Request for grant. Yeah, this is number one, guys. This is number for request for grant. This is number one. Next, what is next, guys? Yeah, user, continue as user, and we say okay for it, right? We say okay for it. Come on, guys. We simply say okay for it. We provide grant, guys. As an end user, we provide grant. Provide grant. Okay. We confirm it. Just confirmation, nothing else. Just confirmation. We provide grant means confirmation. Confirmation. Okay, boss. Right. There's a Facebook auth server, authentication server or authorization server. Here is my resource server, guys. Now tell me. Okay, guys. Now tell me, guys. User supplied username password is there, and Redbus is also registered with Facebook. In second step, Redbus is already registered with Facebook, right now, boss? Registered or not registered? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, by giving these details, we ask for validation or not? Okay. Request for validate. Request for validating client ID, comma, secret ID, client ID, client ID, comma, secret ID for, and whatever grant we have given, a user grant, those things. Request for validating client ID, secret ID, and user grant. Listen, guys, indirectly what, guys? Indirectly what? Whatever username, password they are submitted, they are correct or not? Come on. Whatever username, password that we have submitted, correct or not? This Redbus is already Redbus is registered now, boss. Already Redbus registered. Come on. Okay, whether that is coming from right client application or not, all these things will happen in what server, guys? Authentication server. All these activities will happen in which server? Authentication server. Everyone got it? Got the clarity, guys? Number 5. Okay, guys. Yeah. Provides. Okay. Provides OAuth2. OAuth2 access token. Once user is authenticated, all things are there. My auths are on that means Facebook provides what? Access token, one small token kind of thing. Provides OAuth2 provides what? One access token. Okay. Using that access token, he will get permission to access certain part of the Facebook resource server, guys. Provides OAuth2 access token. Understanding my point? Okay, now Redbus application can use that access token. Come on. Can use that access token to contact the resource server, guys. Okay, guys. Request for user data. Okay, you requested per user data by giving access token. By giving access token. By giving access token, guys. Supernavas. After that, okay. For that access token, what data it can provide? It provides only that data, not every data. Suppose that access token is there to get 4 or 5 details about user. Only those details will be sent back, not every detail. Or that access token is having permission to get the friend's information about user. That information, whatever it is, that data will come back, guys. Okay. Yeah, provides user data. Provides user data. Yeah, getting full name, getting friends list, getting email ID, getting phone number, whatever it is. Provides, tell me guys, provides, okay, provides user data. Right, guys, provides user data. Once this is done, guys, then what happens, guys? Then what happens? Then what happened? Client application. Okay, client application sends a response to browser indirectly to end user. Okay, saying that your login is successful. Come on. Provide response. Provide response. Okay, guys. Provide response. Provide response to end user. What kind of thing? Login success. Once login success, okay, with the ID that got from Facebook, he can do a number of activities on Redbus or not. Maybe booking tickets. Come on, maybe booking tickets or canceling tickets. He can do a number of things. Okay, he can do a number of things, guys. What is this? Number 4. Yeah. Number 6. Number 7. And this is number 8. This is number 8. I hope you got the clarity, guys. Come on. Okay, boss. Yeah. So these are the various steps, guys. Now I can present it to another use case also. End user, phone pay application. What is this? Phone pay application. Our bank, SBI Bank is there, na? SBI Bank auth server, SBI Bank resource server. Let us say so. SBI Bank auth server, SBI Bank resource server. Now focus, guys. No focus. Yeah, secret ID, client ID will be given by this one. Now listen, guys. We launch phone pay application. We launch phone pay application. Now listen, phone pay application. Tell me, what phone pay application will prompt for password, right? Before doing any activity, will prompt for what? Password. Come on. Will prompt for password. Initially, it will ask to register. Once registration is over, come on, it will prompt for password, and we provide that one, guys. Phone Pay is already registered with bank application, na boss. Initially registered. So by it submitted what? Already Phone Pay ID and that this user grant, whatever password it is there, that client ID to what? This one. It will check everything, guys. It will check everything and provides access token. Provides what? Access token. Access token to withdraw certain amount. Access token to withdraw certain amount. And this access token cannot be used later. Only for that particular user from this client application only that access token is applicable. Come on. Taking that access token, having that access token comes to what? SBI resource server where bank account details are there. On that withdraw operation takes place. Come on, guys. On that withdraw operation takes place. Okay, withdraw operation details will come back and those details will be given to end user. Those details will be given to end user. So indirectly payment applications also taking place like this only, na boss. GPay kind of, Phone Pay kind of payment applications also taking in this angle or not? Come on, my dears. Connected or not connected? Please connect. Please try to visualize. Yeah. With respect to diagram. With respect to diagram of step number 3. With respect to diagram of step number 3. File save as 23rd OAuth 2.x implementation. 23rd OAuth 2.x implementation, guys. Okay. Number 1. Number 1. In browser that is pointing to client application screen, red bus screen, guys. Red bus screen. Okay. Red bus screen. End user clicks on Facebook login. End user clicks on Facebook login. Number 2. Okay, end user clicks on Facebook login. The client application, nothing but red bus. Come on. The client application, nothing but red one. Makes you to log in. Makes you to log in. Makes you to log in into login. Makes you to provide FB login credential. Login credentials of FB. Login credentials of SB. Login credentials of FB and okay guys, makes you to provide login credential of FB to provide permission to provide permission. Come on guys, to provide permission to use FB user details. This is nothing but a request for grant. We can call it as request for access grant. Request for access grant. Once we complete FB login, once we complete SB login and continue as okay certain user. Continue as a 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 certain user. Okay. Continue as certain user. Continue as certain user. We can say, okay, we can say, what is that? Access granted. We can say access granted. Because we are request for access grant na, access granted. Okay guys. Access granted. That means permission is provided. Permission is provided. Okay, boss. Next, what is number 4, guys? Permission is provided. Okay, guys. Client application goes to FB. goes to FB for, tell me guys, client, comma, user, client, comma, user details validation. Client, comma, user details validation. Okay. Now, next number 5. Now when I say client application, red bus, guys. Now when I say client application, red bus. Next one is what? Yeah, Facebook auth server validates client and client application and user. Client application and user, and provides one access token. Provides one access token. Okay. Provides one access token. Unique ID, guys, something. Actually, okay. User details. By here, what? By carrying client ID, secret ID, by carrying secret ID and login details. Yeah, what is this? Provides one access token. Access token, guys. Access token. Access token. Access token, which is valid for same user, which is valid for current user and current client application. Okay. Current user and current client application. Current client application to perform certain operations in the resource server. In the resource server. If end user tries to change it. If end user tries to change it, then it will not work. If end user tries to change it, then it will not work. Okay, guys. Number 6. Okay, guys. Client application, nothing but red bus. Okay, makes a request to resource server of goes to auth server of FB. FB for client application, comma, user detail. Tell me, guys, client application red bus makes a request to resource server of FB, having that access token, having that access token, guys. Number 7, guys. Resource server of FB validates the access token validates the access token and provides okay the required and permitted user data. Permitted user data. Permitted user data. Okay. Number 8 was number 8. Finally, permitted user data to client application. Okay. Finally, client application gets client application gets user data user data user data user data and uses the data come on guys, uses the data to provide various services to various services to various services to end user. Various services to end user. Understanding my point, guys? Provides response oblique services. Provides response oblique services. Right, boss? Resource server is part of Facebook, ra babu. Resource server is part of Facebook. After writing this much clearly, also people ask the question. Huh? Come on. Okay. Facebook, we are not giving. No, yaar, we are not giving Facebook username password to Redbus. Once you click on login as Facebook, it will again go to Facebook site only. It will again goes to Facebook site. We are not giving username password of Facebook to Redbus people. Who said like that? I hope you are. If that is the case, how think people will happen, Babu? Will not happen, na boss. This is end user. This is end user. Let's take one more small use case. This is one music application, music app. This is one music app. Something like Spotify. User goes to Spotify. There is option login as a Facebook. Login as Facebook user, right? Listen. Login as Facebook user. Somehow user provides username password of Facebook. This is what? Requesting for access grant. Okay. We said continue as Facebook user. Permission is given. Now tell me, already Spotify application is registered with Facebook. Spotify application is registered with what? Facebook. Come on, guys. At that time, Facebook has given secret ID and client ID to Spotify. Those details plus this user grant detail. That means Facebook login details will be given to auth server of Facebook, guys. Come on. Auth server of Facebook. Facebook will check all the things. Facebook will check all the things. This client ID, secret ID correct or not? These user details are corrected or not? Are Facebook authentication only, na? Yes, if everything is perfect, come on. If everything is perfect, you will get one access token. You will get what is that? The Spotify application will get one access token. What that access token is having some certain permissions. What kind of permission? Okay, array Spotify person, you can get friends information about what? Current logged in user, email ID, phone number, this kind of details about what? Current logged in user. Come on. Okay, gets those details, guys. Get those details. After getting those details, it will display login success to end user and also provide certain services to end user. What kind of service? Triggering SMS message or sending recommendation to friends of the user. Come on, sending mail to end user saying that some login attempted. Login is attempted to this application. What application? A Spotify application, Redbus application. Not only login success message, it also uses that data to provide certain services to end user. Like email ID, phone number, dot. Gender, yeah, a number of details. Okay. Yeah, this access token is not valid. This access token is not valid for long time, guys. This access token is not valid for long time. It is just for that particular period. Are you understanding my statement? Yeah, that particular period means that particular session, I can say. That particular session, I say. Madam, no roles, madam. No roles will be there here. Here, no roles will be there. Forget about the roles part. Okay, guys. Client ID is fixed when Redbus registered with what? Facebook. Client ID is fixed. Secret ID is fixed. This is a kind of password. User grant is nothing but these details. You are not visualizing every day what you are doing. You try to visualize, this looks very interesting. You are doing exactly this every day. Okay, guys. At least let me show that Spotify.com. Spotify.com. Sporty. Am I right? Spotify.com. Is not right? That is only app. Spotify. Spotify. Spotify.com. Searching is okay. Fine. Let it be. Sign up for free. Sign up for fee. Come on. Listen. At least feel it, my dear. Feel it. Sign up with Facebook. This is FB login. FB login. Already in, listen. I already log in. This browser is already logged into Facebook. This browser is already logged into Facebook. Come on. If I sign out from Facebook, you will get, it will ask username, password, right? Spotify requesting to access. Now I'm asking, view access. Okay, what is this? Name and profile picture required. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay, otherwise you want to see that also. Can I go to, what is the in incognito mode. How to go to incognito mode? Incognito mode. Incognito mode. Tell me. Right side three dots. Right side three dots. Where is that incognito window? New incognito window. Spotify.com. Spotify.com. Let me try. Let me show. Because if you feel, I will be more happy, boss. Where is login? Get Spotify for free. Sign up with Facebook. Sign up with Facebook. See, guys, asking username, password or not. We are not giving to Spotify. We are giving to Facebook.com only. We are giving to Facebook.com only. Is that clear? Someone has got the doubt. Facebook details we are giving to this. No, we are not giving to Facebook. Understanding my point? Sorry, no, we are not giving to Redbus. We are not giving to Spotify. It is redirects to Facebook only. Okay, guys. Now tell me. I forgot the password, Bob. Nowadays, is there, guys? Password is coming automatically. Yes, guys. Once login is done, Natras login approval needed. We have noticed login from browser, device or location you don't only use. We need to confirm it was you. Come on. It was you, Facebook. Yeah. One is choose how to confirm that is your account. Complete few steps that is your account. Yeah. What is this? Continue. I'm now confirming. It's me. Okay, guys. Tell me, how do you want to confirm account is yours? You can try these options more and more. Tell me, guys, approve your login another computer, login with Google account, get a code sent to your email address. Yes, I will get one code to my email address. Super, guys. Okay, anyhow, in my mobile, I configured all my email accounts, my dear. Okay. Why it is not coming? Why it is not coming, boss? All inboxes. Oh, I should continue. Huh? Okay, continue. Continue, then I will get. Oh, what's happening? Continue. Continue. Enter code. Where is my? I am not getting anything, Rababu. Why so? Eight digit code. Refresh inbox. I'm refreshing, Rababu. It's not sending anything. Resend code. While resending code, confirm identity in another way. Array, what is this? Login with the Google account. Actually, I have to search in the spam mails. Spam mails. What's happening, guys? Approve login from other computer. Login with your Google account. Get code sent to email address. Wait. Fine, guys. No, actually, I have configured all inboxes to my displays. Maybe it's not happening because of incognito window. Is it not happening because of incognito window, guys? No, yeah, it's not coming. Okay, fine. I think you got the idea, na? Basic idea, na? Okay. Identify my recent comments. What comments I have written. Identify when spring batch starts. I think these are my comments only, na boss. You need to correctly identify 4 comments which you have written in past 3 months. Okay. Who knows what I have written, Ra Babu? Who knows what I have written? Who knows what I have written? No. Hello. No, all these are questions, na boss. From last 3 months. What comments I have written? What comments I have written? Fourth one. No, all these are the questions they have asked, right? Yeah, this is my comment. This is my comment. Next class is on Monday also, my thing. Okay. Right. Now tell me how to where is next? Where is next? One more I have to select. We are offering live training. This is fourth one. No, yeah, it is not selecting. Yeah, company to company requirements will change. That is mine only. I think all 4 are over now. Why it is not giving permission? No option of saying say next. No option of saying next. Scroll down. No, yeah. No option of. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. Let it be. Let it be. Not now. We cannot say. Not now. We cannot say. Okay. Now let's come out of that. Array, let's come out of that, Rabau. Okay. Let's come out of that. Spotify.com. Spotify.com. Sign up for free, guys. Sign up with Facebook. Come on. Sign up with what? Facebook. Now what happened? Sign up with Facebook. Then we will get continue as Natras, right? Continue as what? Natras. Continue as what? Natras. Okay. Almost done. It is now asking some more details, guys. It is asking some more details from our side. Okay, date of birth for storing it to its database. Actually, should need not to ask, but to store it in its database, it is asking some details. Okay, tell me, guys. Use okay mail ID. natraz@gmail.com. Enter email ID natraz@gmail.com. Let's feel once, at least once. Okay. Some year. Okay, some random year I will give. What is this? Okay. Month October 20. Mail. I would prefer, I don't prefer. Share my registration data with Spotify content providers. No, I am not a robo. Click on sign up. Okay, click on sign up. So now what happened, guys? now what happened? Now what happened? When you click on sign up, access token gone to Facebook. Now all the details of my Facebook account is now with Spotify. Now with what? Spotify. Are you getting my point, guys? Are you understanding? So like this. Now tell me, now to log into this account, do I need to have separate username, password? Now onwards I can continue with what? Facebook user or not? Okay, I can continue with the Facebook user or not? Come on, guys. Okay, see, with whatever logo is there, whatever profile picture is there in Facebook, same profile picture is coming here. Same profile picture is coming here. Come on. Okay, when I say profile, see, Facebook details are coming over there or not? Are you understanding? Account details, account overview. So, right, boss. Okay, some details are coming, boss. Okay. Some details are coming. Now I'll say log out. Say login. Continue with what? Facebook. Come on. So this time it is not asking password. Already is logged in now, boss. Already logged in or not? Come on. Right, boss. No, Redboss cannot store anything in Facebook, guys. Right. Now what happens, Now what happens? If I add some songs to some libraries, if I select some playlist, okay, Spotify may recommend those playlists to some of my friends. Are you getting my point? My Spotify is now having access to my Facebook account or not? Restricted access to Facebook account, right? The songs I listen, the songs I play, the playlist I choose. Okay, these it may share those details to some of my friends' info or some so that like that it can increase the customer base, guys. Like that, Spotify can use my Facebook details to increase the customer base. Clear, guys? Okay. Understood, guys? Got the clarity? Super, boss. Now let's go for next activity. What is next activity, guys? Registering our web application. Nothing but client application. Hey, OAuth is bit complex, guys. That's why I'm taking my own time to make you people to feel. Are you able to feel it, guys? Are you able to feel it completely or not? Okay. Registering our web application, client application. Because when I initially seen the architecture of OAuth 4 years back or 5 years back, initially I also felt a bit different. That's why I'm trying to put a little bit more practical oriented. Okay, web application with Facebook, guys. FB, come on. with FB to get client ID and secret ID. To get client ID and secret ID. This is my requirement. Okay. To simply get client ID and secret ID was. Okay. Yeah. Step number 1. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go to Facebook. Go to Facebook. FB developers. Okay. FB developers login. FB developers URL. What is that, guys? https://developers.facebook.com. Developers.facebook.com. Okay. If not logged into FB account, FB account. Okay, you can log in now. You need to log in. You need to log in now. Okay. Varda Santosh, please Ra Babu. What is there not to understand, Ra? Our Facebook user details are the resources. Profile picture, Facebook email ID, phone number, friends information. They are the resources, boss. After listening entire Ramayana, if you ask me what can I do, guys? Come on, guys. Any difficulty to understand the architecture that I have given? Why you are worried about endpoints, my dear? Why you are worried about endpoints? Everything happens internally, na? Access token, getting user data, everything takes place internally. Fine, guys. Okay. If not logged into FB account, you need to log in now. Okay. See the application. Wait, don't come to one conclusion. Right, guys. Now let's get into that. Developers.facebook.com. Developers.facebook.com. Developers gone facebook.com. Right, guys. I already logged in, guys. I already logged in. If not log in, you have to log in now. So that is there. After that, what next? Create application. Facebook application. Create application, guys. Okay. Create a FB application by clicking on by clicking on create application button. By clicking on create app. These are the my apps, already created apps, guys. These are the my apps. Okay, there what? Create app. Okay, there is what? Create app. What is this one, guys? Developers, FB developers homepage, my apps, create app. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Create app. Create app, guys. My app, create app. Choose option manage business integrations. Manage business integration. Where is, guys? Manage business integration. Integration. Continue the details. Why it is not responding? Acha, this one we have to select, guys. Yeah, select to that. Okay, select to that, then continue. Then next. Tell me what is this? Create app. What is that? Choose business. Choose business type. Business type application. Choose a business type application. Then next, guys. Business type application. This is a business integration only, na? Manage assets like pages, events, groups, ads, messenger, Instagram, APIs using available business permission, feature, and products, guys. Okay. Tell me. We have to select that, guys. Select next. Okay. Next. Yeah. Provide following details, guys. Provide the following details. Provide the following details. Provide the following details. What are the following details, guys? What are the following details I have to give? App name, display name. Or with what name you want to create the app? NIT, NIT FB app. Some name, guys. NIT FB app. Come on. Okay. App name, email ID. Okay. App name, email ID. App name, NIT FB app. Okay. Email ID, something. Some email ID you have to provide, guys. Some email ID you have to provide. Then create app. Okay. Create app. Now the question is, I forgot the password. Right, boss. Now the question is, I forgot my password, Babu. Okay, I think it is there in the history. Let's check my luck. Yes, boss. Okay. Tell me. Create app. Create app. Submit the FB password. Submit the FB password. Okay, guys. Next. Now tell me, guys. This is a dashboard. Yeah, NIT FBAPP has come now, guys. NIT FBAPP has come now. View details, guys. This is app ID, nothing but client ID. In that one, settings, basic. Settings, basics. App ID is this, secret ID is this. Secret ID is this. Show means it will show. This is password kind of thing. This is password kind of thing. Are you understanding my statement, guys? This is password kind of thing. Got the clarity, guys? Come on. Okay. What is this? Following details, submit the FB password. Gather client ID, oblique app ID, comma, secret ID of the application. Gather client ID, app ID, comma, secret ID of the application, guys. How to gather, guys? How to gather? First, what I did? Dashboard. First, what should I do? Dashboard means home page kind of thing. Dashboard, settings, basic. Settings, basic. Tell me, settings, basic. Settings, basic. Okay, settings, basic. No, all these are optional, guys. Settings, basics. Okay. From there you can gather app ID and secret ID, na boss. From there you can gather app ID and secret ID. Okay, app ID and secret ID. Fine. If you want, you can provide some extra. Okay. If you want, you can provide some extra information, guys. Otherwise, you can happily save it. Save the changes. Save the changes. Oh, policy URL. Okay, policy URL you need. Actually, you need not to fill up, guys. Right? Okay. Later we will see. Later we will see about policy URL. So as of now, you got the clarity, guys. Come on. So you're able to get app ID and secret ID here or not? Say something, my dear. Okay. Varda Santosh, did you attend yesterday's class? First tell me. Our agenda is not getting securing this one, guys. Okay. Yes. Okay. Actually, you can give any URL. Okay. I'm going to give that URL that is going to where our application runs, guys. Okay. 4041. This is the place where our application runs. That URL I'm trying to provide. Oh, HTTP is not allowing. Okay. Then I will give localhost 4041. Yes, guys. Save changes. Okay. If it is not taking HTTP one, let's take HTTPS. What's the problem, guys? This must be valid privacy in order to be compliant with Facebook platform. Oh, okay. No, it's not allowing nowadays for this one. Okay. www.mybus.com. Something I will www.mybus.com. Yeah, now it's come. Yeah, earlier it used to take local host. Nowadays it is not taking local host, guys. Nowadays it is not taking local host. Leave it. Okay. Now these are changed or not? Okay, boss. Not taken. Still not taken. Taken, Rabab. Saved. It's giving the message. Taken. Saved the message. Okay. Fine. All right. But anyhow, for us, what is important? App ID, secret ID only important, not the remaining things. Fine. Okay. Listen. Tomorrow, what I am going to develop? Facebook? No. I am going to develop client application, which which makes me to go for what? Facebook login and gives me some access to my profile information. Gives me access to my profile information. Are you understanding? I don't need to implement separate login, separate database in my application. Come on. Okay, guys. Hey, all these are optionals, guys. Are terms and conditions, Ra Babu. Terms and condition URL. Is there any page where terms and conditions are mentioned? That is not a seriously important. Leave it. App purpose, yourself or clients. I am using for my purpose only. I am using for my purpose only. So some information they will ask, guys. Don't worry about it. Fine. Okay. So tomorrow when we meet, we will see practicals of this application. Practicals of this application. Thank you, guys. Right. My people have misplaced AOP videos here and there. I'm running after them from last 2-3 months. Okay, once I find them, I'll share. Don't worry. They are recorded, but I don't know where they have placed. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, settings in Facebook is completed, boss. What is shortcut key to get? Copy paste or nothing else. Okay. Thank you, boss. Have a nice time.